Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be reviewing Kizz Daniel's biggest song so far and why it doesn't seem to be getting the deserved international recognition like an A-list artist, or should I say like other A-list artists. Talking about the growth of Afrobeat so far and mentioning the consistency of Afrobeat, we will no doubt mention Kizz Daniel as well, because he has been on the game since the past 10 years. Kizz Daniel has been consistent with making hits and it doesn't seem to be slowing down right now, because he has been going head to head with Wizkid, Davido, Burna Boy and other artists like Olamide in making hits. But over the years, we've actually seen Wizkid, we've seen Davido, and we've even seen Burna Boy take up international shows and platforms that Kizz Daniel hasn't achieved yet. Even with such big songs like Buga and so on, Kizz Daniel hasn't achieved some certain awards, some certain shows, and some certain charts and some certain entries that this A-list artist has achieved. Analyzing the style of Kizz Daniel's music, one can say Kizz Daniel makes fine songs that can be likened to songs from Wizkid, Davido, Burna Boy and all that. But the question is, why is Kizz Daniel not killing it internationally? His 2022 release, Buga, has over 100 million views on YouTube. But yet it has no US certifications, it has no UK singles chart, it has no international recognition. But nevertheless, Kizz Daniel remains one of Nigeria's talented singer, hoping that one day he will join his colleagues to take up international platforms and international shows. If you watched this video to this extent, I want you to drop a comment and you can tell me how you feel and what you think. Please leave a comment on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will get notified on my next upload.